Hello everyone, and welcome back to crochetwoventales. Today I'll show you how to crochet a granny triangle pattern, which is part of our granny square series. It's a really lovely and simple pattern that works beautifully with medium or even thinner cotton yarn and smaller crochet hooks. It's perfect for making bags, shawls, or any creative crochet project. And we'll be using this triangle soon in another video to create a beautiful crochet project, so stay tuned. For this tutorial, I'm using medium weight cotton yarn, a 3mm crochet hook, a tapestry needle, and scissors. Make sure your hook size matches your yarn, that helps your stitches look even and neat. Start with a magic ring. Chain 4. That counts as 1 double crochet and 2 chain stitches. Then make 5 sets of 1 double crochet and 2 chains into the ring. Join with a slip stitch and gently pull the ring tight. That's our first round done. This will form the center of the triangle. Now make another slip stitch to move into the next space. This is where we'll start the next round. In every space, make 1 puff stitch with 3 loops, 1 chain stitch, another puff stitch with 3 loops, and 2 chain stitches. Repeat this same group 6 times all the way around. Close the round with a slip stitch on top of the first puff stitch. Try to keep your tension even here, don't pull the loops too tight, so the puff stitches stay soft and full. Next, make a slip stitch into the next space, and work 3 half double crochets in each space around. Join with a slip stitch into the first half double crochet. This round gives the piece more body and makes the triangle stronger. For the next round, chain 4, this counts as 1 treble crochet. Make another treble crochet in the same stitch. For each side, work 2 double crochets, 1 half double crochet, 5 single crochets, 1 half double crochet, and 2 double crochets. For each corner, work 2 treble crochets, 2 chain stitches, and 2 treble crochets. The first 2 treble crochets we made count as half of the first corner. We'll complete the other half when we close the round. And instead of closing with 2 chains and a slip stitch, close with 1 chain and 1/2 double crochet. That helps us start the next round right from the middle of the corner space. It keeps the shape balanced and the corners neat. Now, make 2 single crochets in the corner space. Then work 1 single crochet in every stitch across each side. In every corner, make 2 single crochets, 2 chain stitches, and 2 single crochets again. When you reach the end, finish with an invisible join instead of a slip stitch for a cleaner finish. It really makes a difference. The join disappears completely. Weave in your yarn tail carefully on the back side of the stitches using your tapestry needle. Take your time with this step to keep the back nice and tidy. And here it is, our granny triangle, all done and ready to turn into a beautiful crochet project. We'll use this same triangle in another video to create something special, so keep an eye out for that. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please subscribe to Crochet Woven Tales, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of my new crochet videos and ideas. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.